Good morning, everyone. Now, today we are going to start the chapter 19 excretory products and their elimination. Okay, in this chapter, we will study about the human excretory system, urine formation, function of the tubules, okay, mechanism of concentration of filtrate, regulation of kidney functions, micturition, role of other organ in excretion, and disorder of the excretory system. Okay, now let's see, come to the point. Excretory system. Okay, what is the excretory system? You everybody knows, because in the earlier classes, in the 10th class, in the from the 3rd class, we are going to continuously we are studying about the excretory system. Okay, and you everybody knows that the excretory system is a system, okay, by which we excrete we remove the waste material from our body. Get it? Now we can say, what is the definition? It is a process. Okay, what is the excretory system? What is the function of excretory system? It remove the waste material from our body. Okay, so it is a process of waste removal in the form of, okay, what are these waste material? These waste material are ammonia, urea, or uric acid. Okay, get it? So these are the waste material that are produced in our body. And how they produce? They are produced by the metabolic activities. Metabolic activities are take place inside our body. Okay, and by these activities, many substances, like during the respiration, you everybody knows which harmful product produced during the respiration: carbon dioxide. Okay, so we have to remove it because it is very harmful for us. If they accumulate in our body, then they causes the disease. That's why we have to remove from our body. So there is a system for this, that is the excretory system. What are the excretory products? These are the ammonia, urea, and uric acid. Get it? These are the waste material that we produce in our body. Okay, so we have to eliminate these materials, otherwise they accumulate in our body. Get it? So this is the excretory products. Okay, get it? And let's see the process of excretion. Okay, what is the process of excretion? Firstly, let's see ammonotalism, ureotalism, and uricotalism. Okay, and I said you that these are the waste products. Okay, like ammonia, urea, and uric acid. These are the major form of nitrogenous waste. These are the nitrogenous waste. Okay, and it is excreted by the animals. And ammonia is the most toxic form. Okay, it's the most toxic form, ammonia. Okay, and it require a large amount of water for its elimination. Whereas uric acid being the least toxic hota hai. Okay, and it can be removed with a minimum loss of water. Get it? Okay, अब now what is this ammonotalism? Ammonotalism mean the process of excreting ammonia. Okay, the process of excreting ammonia is ammonotalism. Okay, what are the many bony fishes? Some examples are also there. Okay, further we will see the examples also. Get it? Ureotalic mean animals that excrete the uric acid. Okay, uric acid. The animals that excrete the uric acid, they are known as uricotalic. Okay, and ureotalism mean the animals that excrete the urea, they are known as ureotalic. Okay, get it? So these are the animals that are ammonotalic or ureotalic and uricotalic. Let's see, like ammonotalic. Okay, what are the examples of ammonotalic? Ammonotalic examples are amphibians, bony fishes, and aquatic insects. They are ammonotalic in nature. Okay, it means they excrete the ammonia as it is readily soluble, is generally excreted by the diffusion across the body surface or through the gills in fishes. Okay, as a ammonium ions. Okay, अमोनिया एक्सक्रिएट करते हैं, ये रेडिली क्या है, वाटर में सॉल्यूबल होता है एंड डिफ्यूजन के थ्रू, ये अपनी बॉडी सरफेस से इसको बाहर क्या करेंगे, डिफ्यूज करेंगे. ओके, through the diffusion they excrete it from the body surface, and in fishes, okay, it excrete through their gills, okay, as ammonium ion. ammonium ions की form में क्या करेंगे, excrete करेंगे. okay, get it. And kidneys do not play any significant role in its removal. Ammonia, okay, kidney do not play any role, okay, for the removal of ammonia. Get it. Okay, next is the ureotelic. Okay, ureotelic mean they release the urea, like examples mammals, marine fishes, land amphibians. Okay, so these are the ureotelic. It means they excrete the urea. Get it. Okay, and next is the uricotelic. Uricotelic mean they secrete the uric acid. What are the examples? Reptiles, birds, land snails, and insects. Okay, the reptiles, birds, land snails, and insect, they excrete the uric acid. Okay, and in the form of pellet or paste with the minimum loss of water. आपने देखा होगा birds जो है उसका excretive material आपने देखा है. Okay, पेस्ट की तरह excrete करते हैं, pellet और paste की तरह. ओके, और उसमें लॉस ऑफ वाटर भी क्या होता है, बहुत ही कम होता है. ओके, गेट इट. एंड यूरिया में क्या होता है, अमोनिया जो प्रोड्यूस होती है मेटाबॉलिज्म में, वो कन्वर्ट होती है यूरिया में, है ना. अमोनिया जो है वो कन्वर्ट हो जाती है यूरिया में इन द लीवर ऑफ दिस, जो लीवर होता है, लीवर के थ्रू वो यूरिया में कन्वर्ट होती है अमोनिया. ओके, और फिर उसको रिलीज किया जाता है ब्लड में, और ब्लड से फिल्टर करती है किडनी. अब ब्लड से उसको फिल्टरिंग कौन कर रहा है, किडनी करती है. ओके, तो किडनी, द किडनी ह्यूमन एक्सक्रीटरी जो सिस्टम है उसका मेन ऑर्गन है, द मेन ऑर्गन ऑफ द ह्यूमन एक्सक्रीटरी सिस्टम इज द किडनी. एंड किडनी, ओके, एंड द यूनिट इज द filtration unit are also present in it. They are nephrons. Okay, later on we will discuss. Okay, in a survey of animal kingdom, okay, it present a variety of excretory structure. It means in the different animals different excretory structure are present. Okay, in the most of the invertebrate these structures are simple tubular form. They are present in the tubular form, but in the vertebrates it having a complex tubular organ. Okay, complex tubular organs called kidney. Okay, it's a complex, but in the invertebrates it's a simple tubular form it is found. Okay, like you can see in the platyhelminthes, planaria. Okay, platyhelminthes example is planaria. Okay, फ्लैटवर्म जो होते हैं प्लेटीहेल्मिंथीज में फ्लैटवर्म आते हैं, प्लानेरिया हैं. गेट इट. तो उनमें क्या होता है, विच टाइप ऑफ एक्सक्रीटरी ऑर्गन इज प्रेजेंट, दे हैविंग अ फ्लेम सेल्स और प्रोटोनेफ्रिडिया. ओके, ट्यूब लाइक दे आर ट्यूबुलर. ओके, ट्यूब लाइक होते हैं, ट्यूबुल्स ज़्यादा होती हैं, प्रोटोनेफ्रिडिया और फ्लैम सेल्स प्रेजेंट होता है. गेट इट. लाइक इन एनेलिडा nephridia. Okay, nephridia are present in the annelida. Okay, तो nephridia are the tubular excretory structure of earthworm. Okay, annelids में क्या आता है, earthworm होता है, एक tubular excretory structure होता है, that is the nephridia. Okay, tubules होती हैं बहुत सारी, and this nephridia help to remove the nitrogen waste and maintain a fluid and ionic balance. Get it? And next is the Malpighian tubules. Malpighian tubules are found in the insects. Most of the insects contain the Malpighian tubules. Okay, there is excretory structure is Malpighian tubules. Cockroach है. Okay, बहुत सारे most of the insects में यही मिलेगी. Okay, Malpighian tubules जो है वो नाइट्रोजनीय वेस्ट को क्या करती है, रिमूव करती है. Get it? और कुछ नेक्स्ट लाइक प्रॉन. ओके, प्रॉन जो है उनमें क्या होता है, ग्रीन ग्लैंड्स होती हैं. क्रस्टेशियन जो है प्रॉन है, और लाइक आपका जो दैट इज अ क्रैब. ओके, क्रैब इज क्रस्टेशियन. क्रैब है, प्रॉन है, दे आर हैविंग अ ग्रीन ग्लैंड्स. एक्सक्रीटरी ऑर्गन इज ग्रीन ग्लैंड्स. ओके, गेट इट. एंड इन द vertebrates having a kidney. Okay, you everybody knows vertebrates having a kidney. Like mammals, हमें क्या प्रेजेंट होती है, किडनी प्रेजेंट होती है. तो आर एक्सक्रीटरी ऑर्गन इज किडनी. गेट इट. तो दीज आर द एक्सक्रीटरी ऑर्गन्स.